So, how is your goal of learning English shaping up? My name is Marquita Joel. I am from thisisenglish.org. This will be the year where you master English. Welcome to day 2 of Secrets of Learning English in 2024. Stay until the end of the video because I will explain today's vocabulary to you. Secret number 2. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Many adult students like you have busy lives. They have families, jobs, sometimes 2 or 3 jobs. They have husbands, wives, or spouses. Sometimes their kids even have a lot of things to do. Many students don't have time to take an English class. They don't have time to spend 1 hour or more a day to learn English. They don't know that you don't need an hour a day. If you have an hour a day, that's great. But most adult students do not have an hour to practice English. You only need 5 to 10 minutes a day to study English. If you have time to scroll on social media, then you have time to practice English. Keep it simple. It is better to practice English 5 to 10 minutes every day than it is to study English just 1 hour, only 1 time a week. You don't have to study a long time. You only need to study for at least 5 minutes a day. Start with 5 minutes and then, if you have time, add more later. In the comments, write how many minutes you want to study English each day. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just write your answer in the comments, or if you are feeling really brave, stitch this video telling me how many minutes you plan to study English each day. Now, for today's vocabulary. Shaping up. I asked, how is your goal of learning English shaping up in 2024? Shaping up has many different meanings, but for this question, it means, is it going well? Are you reaching your goal of learning English? Our next phrase is keep it simple. Keep it simple is a phrase used a lot in English to talk about making life easy. Simple means easy. When someone says keep it simple, they mean that making something hard does not mean it is better. Make it easy or easier. Our last word today is spouse. They have husbands, wives, or spouses. A spouse is the person you are married to. This could be a man, a woman, or someone who is non-binary. Remember that the best way to learn English is in community. Please join thisisenglish.org and our Facebook group community. You only need $5 and a Facebook account. Visit thisisenglish.org for more information. Remember, you can and you will learn English. I'll see you soon. Bye.